Want to automatically forward your Telegram messages straight to your Discord server without constantly copy-pasting? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through a straightforward way to connect Telegram and Discord using Zapier, so your messages flow smoothly from one app to the other. By the end, you'll have a simple automation setup that saves you time and effort and makes staying in sync a whole lot easier. Let's dive right in and get you set up. First off, just a quick note. This demo is a starting guide to get your automation running. If you follow along, you'll have a basic integration working in less than 10 minutes, even if you're new to Zapier. To begin, head over to Zapier.com in your browser. If you haven't used Zapier before, don't worry. It's a popular service that helps you connect different apps together, a bit like an all-in-one digital bridge. Make sure you're signed in or go ahead and create a free account if you need one. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Create button. It's usually at the top left or in the main menu. Go ahead and click on that. Now you're ready to set up a brand new automation, which Zapier calls a Zap. Zaps are basically small workflows, a bit like digital assembly lines that take information from one app and send it to another. Click where it says Create Zap. Here's a helpful trick to move things along. Quickly type Copilot Telegram to Discord into the search bar that appears. This tells Zapier exactly what kind of automation you're looking to set up. When you see an option matching Telegram to Discord, press Enter to select it. Next, Zapier is going to ask you to sign in to both your Telegram and Discord accounts to connect them. This is necessary because Zapier needs permission to access your messages in Telegram and then post them on your behalf in a Discord channel. When you click to connect Telegram, you'll be prompted to log in. Take your time with any authentication steps. Then do the same for Discord. Each service might ask you to authorize Zapier just to make sure everything's secure. It's all pretty straightforward, but if you hit a snag, double-check that you're using the right accounts and that you have access to the channels you want to connect. Once your Telegram and Discord accounts are both connected, you're nearly done. Before you finish, you'll usually get a chance to review your setup. This is a good moment to double-check that you've chosen the correct Telegram chat or group and that you're posting to the right Discord channel. Think of it like setting up pipes. You want to make sure the water your messages flow to the right place. When everything looks good, just click the Publish button. Zapier will turn on this workflow, and from now on, any message that fits your setup will be automatically sent from Telegram over to Discord. How easy was that? This part happens almost instantly, and from here on, you can relax knowing your messages are synced over without you lifting a finger. And that's it, your Telegram messages will now appear in Discord, helping you save time and keep your communities connected without any manual work. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have questions or run into any trouble. I love helping out. And if you want more quick guides just like this one, don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks so much for watching and see you in the next one.